Typically, we must conceal a few extra kilos without having sufficient time for diets and exercises. Appropriately chosen garments could make us visually way more slender. We here at Come Along would like to share with you several tricks that will give you the perfect appearance. Don't miss the bonus for men at the end of the article. Let's start the ride. Add a vertical line. Go for a multiple layer picture with a lengthy jacket. It will make you slimmer and taller. Take note of the place of the buttons. They need to be a single row, making you much more slender. Select the appropriate bra. When your breasts aren't correctly supported, they grow to be an addition to your stomach and draw extra consideration to it. A bra of the appropriate measurement will elevate your breast and create area between them and your abdomen. Add a brilliant accent to a monochrome picture. Create a single-tone picture and add a brilliant element to it, a jacket, a shirt, or a high. That is a nice technique to divert consideration out of your downside areas. Go for a silhouette attire. A trapezoid form without slim-fit elements, like in the 60s or the straight attire of the 20s, are simply what you could create a picture-perfect picture. Button up appropriately. Be certain buttons are on properly the most distinguished part of your stomach. If the button-up half of it is above it, then even the smallest extra stomach will grow to be extra seen, and all consideration will go for it. Keep away from gentle materials. Gentle materials intensify curves and contours. Go for thicker supplies that can maintain your abdomen like a corset. It's higher nonetheless to keep away from piled or nubby materials that can solely add extra quantity. Do not tuck in your tank high. By tucking it in, you draw a clear line around your stomach that'll inevitably draw consideration. Put on tank tops freely and never slim fit ones. The size ought to be a bit under the decreased finish of your stomach. Select the appropriate bag. Even purse measurements can have an effect on the picture of your determined look. Take a giant one and you'll look slimmer. Women of a small stature ought to go for medium-sized baggage. Go for matte garments. Shiny materials all the time attracts consideration and accentuates each single fold of your stomach, so it's better to go for matte garments. Have a look at wrap attire. This is a selection that can all the time come to your assistance. It is not going to solely conceal your stomach, but additionally convey out the very best of your detriment and fill out consideration to your breasts.